Accidents can happen anytime, and when they do, having clear video evidence can make all the difference. Whether you're commuting daily, driving for rideshare, or heading out on a road trip, a reliable dash cam protects you from false claims, captures unexpected moments, and gives you peace of mind. Modern dash cams now offer 4K resolution, night vision, built-in GPS, Wi-Fi app control, and even 24-hour parking monitoring. But with so many options available, choosing the right one can feel overwhelming. So today, we've selected the top 5 best dash cams that combine video quality, smart features, and real-world reliability. Make sure you watch until the end because our #1 pick delivers true 4K front and rear recording with powerful safety features. Let's begin. Number 1. TERUNSOUl Dash Cam. Taking the top spot is the TERUNSOUl Dual 4K Dash Cam, built for drivers who want maximum clarity and protection. This model records an Ultra HD 4K resolution on both the front and rear cameras, capturing 3840 by 2160p video simultaneously. The 170-degree ultra-wide front lens covers up to 6 lanes of traffic, ensuring nothing important is missed. It comes with a pre-installed 128GB memory card, so it's ready to use straight out of the box. Loop recording keeps footage continuous, while the built-in G sensor automatically locks collision videos to prevent them from being overwritten. There's also a one-touch emergency lock button. Night performance is impressive thanks to enhanced WDR technology and large f1.5 and f1.8 apertures that allow more light into the lens. This ensures brighter and clearer footage even in low-light conditions. With ultra-fast 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi, built-in GPS tracking, and 24-hour parking monitoring support, this dash cam offers complete protection. If you want the best all-around performer, this is it. Number 2. ROVE R2-4K Dual Dash Cam. Coming in at number 2 is the ROVE R2-4K Dual Dash Cam, a strong competitor with premium image technology. It records in 4K resolution in the front and 1080p in the rear, delivering sharp and detailed footage from both angles. The wide viewing angles ensure you capture more of the road. One standout feature is the advanced Sony Starvis 2 sensor, which enhances color accuracy and improves night visibility. Combined with a wide aperture lens, this dash cam performs exceptionally well in dark environments. It features dual-band 5 GHz and 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, allowing you to download footage to your smartphone at high speed through the ROVE app. You can manage settings, preview recordings, and update firmware wirelessly. Built-in GPS records speed and route data directly onto your videos. It also includes a free 128GB micro SD card and supports up to 1 TB storage. With advanced parking mode options and voice alerts, this is a feature-packed option for serious drivers. Number 3. REDTIGER 4K Dash Cam. At number 3, we have the REDTIGER F7NP, designed for sharp detail and durability. This dash cam captures 4K front and 1080p rear footage, ensuring reliable evidence both day and night. The wide-angle lenses reduce blind spots and provide full coverage. Its Starvis 2 sensor and WDR technology balance light and shadow effectively, producing clear nighttime recordings. The built-in 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi connects to the REDTIGER app for quick downloads and easy video management. You can also review GPS data directly from your smartphone. A key advantage is its supercapacitor design, replacing traditional lithium batteries for better heat resistance and longer lifespan. Loop recording and G-sensor protection ensure important clips are always saved. Number 4. Veement Dash Cam. Number 4 is the Veement V300, offering strong clarity and safety-focused engineering. It records in 1296p HD resolution, capturing smooth and detailed footage at 30 frames per second. The 170-degree ultra-wide lens covers a large viewing area. Its starlight level sensor and f1.7 aperture improve low-light performance, helping capture clearer nighttime video. Instead of using a traditional lithium battery, this dash cam operates through continuous USB-C power,
reducing overheating risks. Built-in Wi-Fi and the VCar app allow easy preview, download, and sharing of footage. With loop recording and 24-hour parking mode support, this model offers reliable everyday security.
Number 5. SUVCON Dash Cam. Rounding out the list is the SUVCON Triple Dash Cam, perfect for maximum coverage. This model features 3 cameras, front, cabin, and rear, reducing blind spots and providing complete vehicle monitoring. The cabin camera includes infrared LED lights for clear recording even in low-light conditions, making it ideal for rideshare drivers. It includes G-sensor emergency recording and parking monitoring features to capture unexpected events. Loop recording automatically overwrites old files when storage is full, and it comes with a pre-installed 32GB SD card for convenience. Installation is simple and user-friendly, making it suitable for beginners. Recommendation. That concludes our top 5 best dash cams for reliable road protection. If you want the best overall performance, the TERUNSOUl 4K Dual Dash Cam stands out with true 4K front and rear recording, fast Wi-Fi, GPS, and excellent night vision. For premium image sensor performance, the ROVE and REDTIGER models are strong alternatives. If you prefer triple camera coverage for maximum security, the SUVCON is a great choice. No matter which dash cam you choose, investing in one means protecting yourself, your vehicle, and your peace of mind. If this video helped you, like, subscribe, and comment which dash cam you would pick. Drive safe and stay protected.